now the night is gone. Still it goes on and on, so deep inside of me. I long to set it free, I don't know what to do. Just can't explain to you, I don't know what to say. Oh, not another word, just la 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 la.
Three in the air for the kids in the ghetto. Four for the kids that don't wanna be there. None for the niggas trying to hold them back. Five in the air for the teachers not scared to tell those kids that's living in the ghetto that the niggas holding back, that the world is theirs. Yeah, yeah, the world is yours. I was once that little boy, terrified of the world. Now I'm on a world tour. I will give up everything, even start a world war for these ghetto girls and boys. I'm rapping around the world for Africa to New York, Haiti then I detour, Oakland out to Auckland, Gaza Strip to Detroit. Say hip hop only destroy. Tell them look at me, boy. I hope your son don't have a gun and never be a D-boy.
Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. The show goes on all right. Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up.
So no matter what you've been through, no matter what you into, no matter what you see, when you look outside your window, brown grass or green grass, picket fence or barbed wire, never ever put them down. You just lift your arms higher, raise them till your arms tired. Let them know you there, that you struggling, surviving, that you gon' persevere. Yeah, ain't nobody leaving, nobody going home. Even if they turn the lights out, the show is going on. Alright.
The show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so strong. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. The show goes on all right. Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they
Chad, what is up, baby? Welcome back to New York session. Let's get it, guys. Gonna be a good one today. We just want to turn this up a little bit over there just so you guys can hear us a bit better. Sounds good on my side. Just let me know how that sounds for you guys. How if that's a bit better, you guys can hear music not too loud, and we'll start getting into things very, very shortly, Chad. Absolutely loving the vibes you guys are bringing pre-markets. You guys really starting to look like a nice family there. Absolutely loving it. So right, Chad, we are going to take this up a notch today. We're just going to watch out. We were maybe going to have load shedding, I don't know, but we're just going to have to keep an eye on that one. You never know with Escom nowadays. But Jev, how you doing, brother? I mean, this is your second time on stream today.
Yeah, I'm feeling good. Not that lazy today.
Yeah, not that lazy. That man, guys, that man saw an opportunity. He took my seat this morning. But all love, brother. But we're here for New York session, guys. So quite a bit to digest. Markets coming alive quite nicely, and I think it's actually going to be something interesting for us to see what is moving forward. So yeah, good, no load shedding. Jeff is on fire today. Have you taken trades today, Jeff?
Yeah, that gold.
Did you give it out to your people?
Oh no, I just sent it out to my members.
That you just took it?
They might even refer to maybe that EU long I called earlier, but we didn't get an entry, but price went to both TPs.
Nice. Man, always taking trades with no signals over here, we see. He's getting rich by himself. How you guys? How's it going, guys? How you feeling with FOMC tomorrow? FOMC was last night, brother. You've missed that already. Yeah, FOMC was last night, bro. But better luck next time. So going over to the dollar, guys. Before we get into anything, let's just talk about unemployment claims. So unemployment claims coming out negative for the dollar. So obviously we were at 215. They expected a little bit of a drop at 213, but it actually coming out quite a bit higher. So that was a bit of a shock for the dollar. But nothing I think that's truly going to change the outlook for dollar at this point, after what Powell said. And then also PMI at 5 o'clock, guys. So we're going to keep an eye out for PMI. So basically, you guys know that's your post-manufactured index, so we'll see how that comes out going into Feb now. That's going to be quite an interesting one. They're looking for numbers to actually come out very basically flat, a little bit of a drop maybe, but again, that will be dollar strength. So as I said to you guys, not going to see too much of a change, if that makes sense. So we're just going to have to be careful, see what happens on the market, but I'm sure we can get something nice out of it though, guys. So we're just going to keep an eye open for that one, right? So let's just get into it then, Chad. I don't think there's anything else we truly need to look out for, but who knows with these markets. I just want to see something here quickly.
Yeah, just excuse me as well, Chad. I'm just posting a reel quickly. I'm behind my schedule, yeah.
Alrighty, Chad. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Again, I do think it's going to come out a bit more dollar strength. Unemployment claims not really going to change too much in my opinion, but we'll see what happens. So let's go over to dollar, guys. Let's break that one down quickly. Straight off the bat, we are more bullish on dollar after FOMC last night. We basically gapping up to the top side, already closing bullish yesterday with all of that wick rejection. Look at that, guys. Gapping up, making our bottom wick, basically still leaving the gap open, but trading up, literally testing that 450 again, and then basically trading now at our flip zone. So we can see the flip zone actually starting to hold out here for the dollar. So if we can get this to hold, this will be very beautiful to see that happen, and trading back up. That dollar going to come into strength if PMI can come to the party. So just keep an eye on that one, alright? Then going over to gold. Gold's being a bit of a waterfall. We said to you guys we are bearish on gold for the day. So what happened is we've already traded up the whole day Asia session to come down London session, obviously leaving Asia lows untested. So coming down, getting those Asia lows, also holding this flip zone. As you can see, we finally got the break below and the massive sell off. I was not trading at this time, so I didn't take any of this. And then moving forward, you basically held it, getting close to this the support area, and now trading back above with unemployment claims. So we're basically back in the Asia lows, but we're testing the daily pivot and the EQ, and not looking like it's holding that much. So we'll see if that does hold, or if dollar will come to the party and gold come back down again. But obviously we'll just see what happens on that side. Very, very open plan now. The fact that you've got unemployment claims and PMI on the same day, we can really see something interesting happening. But I must say, because of a bit of it was quite a shocker how bad the unemployment claims were. Just for the rest of the day, I would be actually leaning now a bit more bullish on gold. But again, we'll see what the fundamentals bring out. Going over to Nas not doing anything really. We spoke about this again, trading up the whole day and just going to range in between these areas before market open. If we can continue to hold this, I'd love to see us regain the weekly support and hold their support to continue upwards. But at the same time, we can see those, if this Asia highs get taken, very good chance we can see Asia lows being taken for, and then basically going for those lows. So today, guys, honestly, I said basically this morning, a lot of my pairs I see inside days happening. So in short, you can have a lot of consolidation, pretty much. You're not going to actually get true moves because you're trying to price in what happened with FOMC, but then markets are also trying to price in what they're trying to predict for NFP tomorrow. So markets aren't really going to give us any clear directions. So we can see, yeah, we've basically been around Asia lows, taking out those highs, setting that top wick on the day, and then trading right back down to that flip zone. Reject of Asia lows. So USD is very clean. If we either start trading back into this range in Asia lows, I'll look for the longs. But if we come back down for the lows here, I will look just to short it and see those shorts continue. So just a very, very reactive day from my side. Jeff, what you looking at, brother?
So from my side, guys, let's start off with DXY. Now, still on this 4-hour level.
Jeff, just
Yes.
what is your screen on?
DXY.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna put on my screen something. So I don't know why your screen's like glitched out there quickly. I'm just trying to sort your thing out there, brother.
No stress, no stress.
Some gentle people
The market
there we
makers
go.
don't want us to watch. Okay, there we go.
Okay, you are live, brother.
So one thing I forgot to mention this morning. So the daily open is slightly here with the weekly open. So over here, right above that level, this is where the daily open is. So this makes sense why price is holding this level right now at this moment. Let me just quickly make a mark for you guys. Daily open. So I remember this morning as well. I told you guys that Asian lows untested. So I want to be bearish on the dollar, and the reason for that is because I told you guys we still have this unfilled gap at this moment over here. Now, one of two things can happen. Either we're gonna pin the Asian lows and just sweep that and then rise. Now, also be mindful we have this pivot over here, but I would actually like to see dollar break through this level and actually go all the way down. Because with that said, I am bullish on EU. So EU, here's the one. As you guys can see, we missed this position. We have the change of character, break of structure. Now here is the S1, S1, and we have unmitigated demand zone at this level. So I want to see EU trade into this level and then basically rise. Similar thing on gold. We have a change of character. Gold is rising to the upside. I want to see gold now pull back into this demand zone and then rise basically, because we also have the R1 over here, which could act as some sort of support. Like I said, here we also have this order block. So I'm just gonna find it. There we go. 15-minute charts. I want to see gold tap into the zone. You guys can see also last night with the FOMC here is the sell side liquidity. People sold here and all bought here. Stop losses were hit. Sell side liquidity hasn't picked up, so now we're just waiting for that retracement to actually take advantage of that move. Now on GU, price also did exactly what I said this morning. Want to sweep this lows and then buy, but unfortunately the buy didn't come through when we wanted to. But very similar, so don't get confused like this, ICT traders. Sometimes I do mark out not only one but two zones, and that's usually in a case like this where I wanted to line up with that. And the same thing, if price comes back here, I want to see a clear pattern that price holds before we go long on this pair. And USD CAD. Similar thing, remember this morning, guys, I want to look for sells, waiting for change of character. Change of characters over here, demand's been taken out, price is rejected. Here is that liquidity buildup for us over here. So we want to see as well, like I said, we want to see DXY drop. So we want to see USD CAD go up to this level and then drop as well. So yeah, that's it from my side. USD CAD, EU, gold, and GBP USD. You said you're also bullish on gold, ne?
Yeah, purely because of what the fundamentals came out as.
Okay.
I'm actually bearish, but because of how shocker the unemployment claims was, I'll lean more to bullish for the rest of the session.
Oh, so it all depends on where price goes to, basically.
Yeah, keeping in mind you obviously still have PMI coming out at 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
And they are expecting it to come out a little bit lower, but even if it's a little bit lower or flat, that's dollar strength.
Okay, makes
So,
sense,
so
makes
just
sense.
keep an eye on that one.
Oh yeah, also, I was on my screen.
You're back on your screen.
Okay, so also guys, now we also have internal structure. So if you want to have price come to this level, like Keegan said, now potential dollar strength, that could then push EU down to this level. Now if we could have a change of character at this level and a pullback, and then price retrace potentially, let's say for instance this candle here might turn into the supply zone, and if we could see something like this potential change of character, I would short it to the zone. But let's also wait for the news and we'll just react to what price shows us.
Hey, you have it, Chad. We're just chilling out here now, basically waiting to see what markets are going to give us. As I say, guys, gold can if you turn around, but obviously right now, as I said, you guys, nothing that's basically showing you that turnaround momentum yet. But let's see, let's go through the chat a bit here, guys. We have 30 minutes left till market open. Anything, yeah, but welcome, guys. Second session, we are here, baby. What's up? Where's the music, y'all, guys? Kiosh, honestly, bro, so we started the stream earlier just for you guys to vibe out, chill in the waiting room, and that's so long. Only to find out my bro Mo was sabotaging us and actually took one of our cables. So there was music playing, but it wasn't playing through to the stream side. So yeah, apologies for that one. But the music came back after I saw that message. What's up, G's and Chad? Let's go, Chad. NYSE. Chad, don't you? What's good, my G's? What's up? Keeks and Jev, the market makers, the gold Viking and the market whale. How's it, guys? Good afternoon, G's and Chad. Welcome, guys. Shaq in the house. The new XUs along though, yeah, they were crazy. As I said, those unemployment claims actually had quite a bit of a jump in there to the opposite direction. The Peach Nation, guys. About to pass phase 2. Lol. King says you only trade gold. Mostly are. Monster, how's it, Keys and Jeff? Oh, guys, Chad, sound is good. Good, no lotion. Jeff is on fire today. How's it going, guys? How are you feeling with FOMC? Do I listen and take trades with you guys or edit? Moski, you got a deadline for tomorrow, brother. I think editing. Yeah, he's got to put his deadline work. I meant NFP, sorry guys. I'm closed. I'm dosed with pills. Yeah, NFP. So what was the... Yeah, I'm chill with NFP coming out tomorrow. I'm actually quite excited for it. Basically with what's happening in the markets now with Powell, if NFP is actually going to be a bit more of the trading event to watch than CPR. So NFP moving forward will probably actually become the bigger one now out of the two. Mission Trade trying to make sure these guys flourish. Phase 2 past 2 trades. Keisha, well done, brother. Congrats, my man. Go get it. Making gold your baby. Gold is hurting souls today. Yo, if you guys were on the wrong side of gold today, you got hurt. Question for the Chads. Question for the Chad. Do you chart using dark theme or light theme? Surgical on gold balls, 0 losses. Very rare you and Jeff have the same direction. Yeah. No, that is
but then
rare
again,
one.
when we have the same direction, you know we're not going wrong.
Yeah, there you go. Surgical always on gold boss. 20 win streak on my funder. That's awesome, brother. We were sabotage keys. Why would they do that? Aish, hopefully next time the Jeds chat. We're both victims. We like furniture. Yeah, no, you guys really are. G's and Chad and wrenches. I bet tomorrow 2 minutes will be posting on Instagram. Yeah. The thing is, does he have his Instagram back yet?
Was that?
2 minute noodles.
Nah,
I was gonna say, I don't think he has it back yet.
nah, I don't follow losers.
First day on the stream, it had a radio vibe like 5 FM whilst you get your trade on. I really like it. Keep it up, guys. Really appreciate it, Anthony. Always, you are late. So yeah, guys, let's just see what happens. We've got 10 minutes left till markets open. Let's see what happens. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to place anything right now, because you're going to have markets open, 50-minute shuffle, and then it's 15 minutes till PMR. So if I'm going to take something, it better be looking good. But gold's fighting for its life out here, Chad. Gold is fighting for its life out here.
Just disclaimer, not a disclaimer, but just a heads up as well, Chad. I am kind of sorting something out as well, so if there is moments where I'm not fully engaged, please forgive me. It's just also where I have to sort this out, but I am here, present.
Man's a busy man, guys. Yo, I'm tired. And then, guys, just keep a lookout for those that are basically in the short list for the project. Chris and myself were going to get back to you guys very, very soon. I was actually going to get back to you guys today. We'll basically shortlist the shortlist. But yeah, we had a few things come up, so we're going to get to it today. But we might go through it a bit later and just finalize those things up, and then you guys will be hearing from us shortly, if that was something you guys were in. So just keep a heads up for that one. But also, yeah, I feel like I actually missed so much not being on stream this morning. Did you guys take any trades this morning?
Nah, I must admit.
I know.
I must admit, I did see this morning. It looked very kind of sad.
Nah, bro, I was, you know, hey, I was chilling, but then like Mo and myself got so irritated because it was such a simple thing, but we couldn't figure out these bloody PCs. Like the monitors just wouldn't work.
Oh damn.
Yeah, so that was irritating to us. We were like, that's where we were depressed. We thought we got defeated by a bloody monitor. Keegan, take a pre-workout. Yeah, bro, my pre-workouts are a bit hectic. So won't be taking one now. But it's a Thursday. I actually, honestly, when I got to the office today, I said like, I'm most probably not going to be taking any trades, purely because of it being that, like, this whole thing's just been like screwed this week. So yeah, it's been a very back and forth. But we will see what happens, Chad.
Vince. Nah, Vince, remember, you can message me whenever you want to. It's just, if I don't respond, like I always say, it's not that I'm ignoring you. I would rather give you my full attention when I do respond than give you a half-assed answer.
There we go. So that's what we like to hear.
If I had more hands and another head, yes, then it would be much easier. I almost said something.
Extremely excited for Project 5130. Give us the recipe. Yeah, so obviously I work with Heavy Nation, so I take their pre-workouts and then I mix it with some other energy drinks as well. Etidonia, Chad. Who commented first?
Okay. I just need to do one more edit on my video.
Are you still editing that thing?
Tam rejected it. Because I didn't have a disclaimer in it, so now I have to add a disclaimer quickly.
Wait, why is Tam involved in this one?
Because we kind of working with her on regards to the trading alchemy thing, so she's been our middleman there at Vault at the head office.
Are you working with them in this one?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, Chad, that's one thing you'll always see about me. If you see something I put out on Instagram, that's my baby. Nah, bro, I promise you, I've always been someone like that. Like, if, for example, like the brands I work with and stuff like that, if I work with someone, it's because I truly believe in the product and I stand for what they stand for. But I am my person. I am who I am. And if you want to work with me, you want to work with me because of who I am. So
I agree with
this
that
isn't an
point.
attack on them now. I'm just saying, but like when I do something, you don't tell me how it must be done. You don't tell me like for example, we had people saying like no, they wanted to put watermarks on our stuff, and I said not a chance, not happening.
Wait,
like-
wait, what?
No. I'll talk to you about it also.
Okay,
but
okay, yeah,
they
that's
wanted
what I
things
was
to
saying.
happen. And I was like, not a chance that's happening. There's no contract for that. There's no. What are you talking about? It's not happening.
Yeah.
Like you're not my boss. So. But that's the thing. You got to stand up who you are. I always say people are your own character.
Yeah.
That whole thing of you can always make a copy, but it'll never be as good as the original. And that's just the truth.
Fact.
Buzzing with all the caffeine, yo. How you, bruv? I don't think I'd be able to focus. Are you guys active on Discord? Yes, brother. The Discord link is in the description. Go check it out there. Yeah, just head over there and you can happily go check it out there. Let us know if you have any problems with it there, but yeah, you should be able to find it there pretty simple. Four minutes till market open, guys, or 3 minutes 30 seconds. DXY, as I said, basically trading up but holding that rejection area. So DXY still looking quite bearish for now. Gold running for it. Again, yeah, honestly just PMI to watch out for. What's tomorrow looking like? I know tomorrow we have NFP, but there's basically a clear day until the NFP. Yeah. So tomorrow going to be a good day on the markets, Chad. Sound on mic is a bit soft. Chad, we had everyone else tested and tell us it was alright. So just let us know about that. Corbin, I'm not sure if maybe your mic is broken or your speaker, but everyone else said sound was fine. So Chad, just let us know if the mics are soft or not. On our side over here, mics are looking pretty alright. No, it's alright, bro. Yeah, sound is soft. Where can I put the sound up on this side? Like that's the thing, guys. Sound for us is pretty high already. Let's just see over here. Can I turn that up? Nope. Do we turn this one up? Nope. How does that sound now? Okay, that's just getting louder in my ears. Yeah, just hold on, chat. We're trying to figure this out if you guys want it louder. Alright, Chad. Let me know how that one sounds. I think I found it. You guys can give me a little heads up there. Is that sounding a bit better? Looks good on my side, so just let me know about that one there, Chad. I think we should have it on the money now for you guys. So just give us a heads up there, but your mark should be there. We go. Yep, it's better now. You good? Awesome, guys. No, perfect. Well, yeah. Sorry, guys. Just that our little mate here. Who was it? Where did he go? Corbin. Apologies, then, brother. You were just the first one to talk up and say that the mics were soft. So appreciate that, bro. But yeah, I think we have got it all good now. Already we have everything on full blast. Lol. Hear you clearly. Movie loud and clear. Awesome, guys. Awesome. But yeah, that's the thing, guys. Yeah, sorry. Like we obviously joke around you and that, but if we really are soft, then just tell us. We'll try and make a plan to make it better. But yeah, guys, let's just see. Jeff, I also turned yours up a bit. Just talk quickly.
How does it sound?
That sounds good on my side. Just talk again. I just want to see on the monitor.
Hey Chad, how you guys doing?
Okay, it's showing better on my side. So yeah, looks good, Chad.
Pips and drips.
Where did you see that? Or are you just saying that?
Yeah.
I'm reading. I'm thinking, yeah, that's a sick name. You came over here with pips and drips.
Yesterday when we asked Chris about his sync one, he's like, what you know about that drip? I was like, really, Chris?
Yeah, boss, probably. I think it was that other vault, not vault, other prop firm. I know he mentioned it to us yesterday, I think it was, but honestly, like I said, I can't even remember the name. It was like FTY something. Secure some pips on UJ pre-market, sell for quick scalp, 10 pips, lol. I'm good now. There, bro, that's perfect. USD rocketing. Market open, guys. Round 2. Ding, ding, ding. Fight. FXIFY. No, but hold on. My question is, so do you pronounce it FXIFY, or is it like fixed fee? How would you say that? FXE fee. FXE fee. My mentor funded 2 million with them. Like for a second there, I was gonna say it was a J, but I know Jay's doing that with Ment now.
I almost said something now.
FX iffy. FX iffy. Yeah, okay. Gold is hurting people. Yeah, guys. But I said there's nothing. You can't enter buys because you got no entry criteria, and you can't enter sells because there's nothing telling you it's selling. So yeah, if you're in it, you're in it. If you're not, unfortunate, guys. Fee like fee. But yeah, guys, so we're just gonna wait now, 50-minute shuffle, and then obviously we do still have market coming out at 5 o'clock, so we don't want to be too impatient, but we're just gonna see what happens. Again, guys, keep in mind that it's literally the first, so markets are gonna also still be a bit choppy and consolidating today. So again, I really won't be forcing something today. Only sucky thing is the 5 minimum trading days per challenge. So for the next 4 days, I have to take 0.01 trades. Yeah, bro, I've been there before. That is, I must say, it's not a bad thing. It's just irritating. US30 just flew. Yeah, market open, bro. I mean, it hasn't really moved. Like US30, I know that is a lot, but it's on the bigger scheme. It's not really moving yet. That thing's still gonna really move. Literally just waiting for this now, guys. 50-minute shuffle to come and go. But already, guys, 131 of you concurrent viewers at the moment. Only 37 likes. If you guys don't mind, please just give it a like there quickly. It doesn't take a lot. It's just a little click of a button. And if you haven't yet, give us a subscribe, guys. Honestly, go places. We were talking about it yesterday. From last week to now, we've basically almost gone up. It was when was it? Last week? Last two weeks. Last 2 weeks, we've gone up 600 subscribers. You guys are absolutely insane. So definitely a lot of giveaways coming in the future for you guys. A lot of things we're going to be doing. Part of 600 plus. Yeah, the numbers are just skyrocketing, guys. Like we literally celebrated 5k the other day, and I mean now we're closer to 6k. It honestly is insane. But again, we are building one hell of a community. Yeah, we all going to the top. We're all making money together, and just absolute vibes. So again, if you guys haven't yet, we really do appreciate the likes and subscribes. That's all we ask for you guys. We've split it a few times. There's nothing we charge or ask from you guys other than just that like and subscribe. Yep, I joined after the Radal stream. I really appreciate that, brother. That really was a good one though. Massa, I really enjoyed the stream with Radal. So we are just still waiting, guys. Only 5 minutes into the market shuffle. Let's see what happens. Hi guys, I subscribed yesterday morning and I haven't missed an episode. Keep up the awesome work, Colin. Really appreciate it, bro. Unfortunately, our markets have been a bit choppy, so for all the newbies, Jan is always a cuck month. So we really do appreciate you if you have been sitting through Jan with us. I promise you it does get better. You can ask some of the OGs. there was periods last year where we couldn't make a move wrong. So trust me, we will be getting back in our streams as the markets kind of level out and get back to normality. So yeah, but appreciate you guys sticking around through these tough the 7 months of January. I manifest 10k end of Feb. Yeah, Vince, that would be insane, bro. If you imagine like just jumping 4k subs, that would be crazy. This really is giving 5FM vibes, except people swear. Yeah, guys, this is like a 5FM, but with no restrictions. Etty, you know me, brother. How's it keeping, JV? I hope you have a good day.
What's up, Etty? What's up, man?
Yo, guys, you know what we're gonna do, eh? Especially for New York session. We're already playing all these non-things, so we don't really get copyright, so we don't even get paid for these streams at this point, guys. But you know what we're gonna do? I actually got this idea from it's a podcast I really love. So we're not gonna name names here, but I really love these guys. So such a vibe. But what they started doing, I think we're gonna bring it over to Fridays, especially for New York session, just to get those vibes up while we're waiting. So especially now at the 50-minute shuffle. Jave, you're not gonna take anything now, eh?
I'm writing this disclaimer quickly, but I'm almost done. One more sentence.
Okay, but you're not gonna take anything now. I don't mean the session. I mean like right now.
Oh no.
Okay. And I'm not going. I'm waiting for the 50-minute shuffle to come because of news later. So I think we can start this, guys. Just to get the pre-vibes for Friday. Actually, no, we won't do it today. We're not going to do it today. We'll do it tomorrow. We will do it tomorrow. But we're going to start bringing in the Friday forgotten bangers. So how this works, guys, is myself and Jev, we'll get to nominate a song. But the song's got to go and be listed and agrees and judged on your ABCs. Alright, so your A is obviously that it's like acceptable, it's true. So how old is it? Is it really nice? Is it really good? B, that sorry, oh, hold on, guys. I'm literally getting like a flipping thing here. You know what, we're actually going to read this properly for you guys, because you guys are the judge for us, so we're going to get it properly for you guys. The proper thing for you. But you already, guys, what do you think about the concept, forgotten bangers?
I love it. I already have my tracks.
Oh, so hold on, Chad. Alright, guys, so how you guys are going to judge it moving forward on Friday's Forgotten Bangers? Your ABCs. So A, we got to have it, it's got to be abandoned, meaning you haven't heard it in a long time. It's not something that you hear on the radio or every club you go to. B, obviously it's got to be a banger. And C, it's got to be credible. Alright, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to move forward. And I think when we do that, you guys are going to be the judges. And then moving forward, I think what we'll do is we'll make it a bit fun. Maybe we'll keep like a little record of that. And the first person to get to a certain number will do something. Or maybe the loser does something if they can't get the bangers right. But we'll figure something out that it's also a fun way to almost run like a competition or give back to you guys. But you guys will be the judges when we do Friday's Forgotten Bangers. So we're going to see what type of music and genre, what are the people like? I would say music will tell you a lot about a person. So we're going to see what music you guys listen to here. 80, what are you going on? This stream is rated RR and some days BB play. Keith, you're going to wait until 5:15 for a trade. Not 5:15, bro. Just after 5. Yeah, just after 5. Then I'll look at something then. So you say you already know what your song you're going with, Jeff?
I think so. I think so.
Oh. remember your ABCs, eh?
Wait.
You gotta get judged off of those.
My ABCs.
Yeah.
Shissy.
It's gotta be abandoned. It's gotta be a banger, and is it credible?
Okay. Okay.
And the chair's gonna judge if you meet the three criteria.
You know how stressed I got now.
So even if it's a good song, like cool, it can be a vibe, it can be a good song. Like if you can't be there, if I come and I say, listen, bro, it's not abandoned. Like I literally hear that in the club every weekend. Then
yeah,
it's
I feel you.
So it needs to be your ABCs. It's got to meet them.
Nah, I think I can do that.
We're gonna see what music you guys listen to.
I got worried now when you said I must know my ABCs. You guys know that I'm 25 years old. I still don't know the alphabet.
I think we spoke about this before.
I'm not joking. I really don't know it. Up until P.
I was gonna say I swear we spoke about it because the same thing. You said like you knew it, but to a point.
Yeah, till P.
And then you. Oh my word. Wagwan, Mr. Kyle James in the house. Just a murdered gold. Yo, that man's nasty with it, guys. But you gotta watch out. He charges about 6,000 Rand to trade NFP with him, guys. And he'll purposely give you the wrong signal. So just be careful with that, man. Alright. I'm joking, my brother. I must say, Kyle's also quite the gold trader himself. But Jeff, I'm sure Kyle will be able to help you out with your ABCs, brother.
Okay, what comes after P? R, ne?
No.
Not.
No.
But they almost look the same.
Q.
Then R.
Yeah.
Nah, someone messed up in the alphabet. I mean, if you think about it, if you draw P, just add one more strip to it and it's R. Then Q can come.
Oh my word. After P, O E. Yeah, that's Chad. Oh, that a gold is still absolutely annihilating people. Jeff, what you saying? Yeah, man.
Nah, honestly, like, I'm not joking. I don't know.
Nah, he's genuinely not joking, guys. We have spoke about this before.
Even the first one I said it, they thought I'm joking. There's Ithian and after in. Yo.
Oh yes, yes. After Q. Oh yes, yes. Cute Banks. Oh.
Yo.
This song give you 50 Shades of Grey vibes. Boomy is bro, just because it's from 50 Shades of Grey, I'm pretty sure. People are gonna blur accounts on gold today or grow. Yo, bro, it is. People are, like I said, these type of moves on gold. You are smiling or you're crying. Like there's no in between yet. Oof, I must say though, but I think I got my banger for tomorrow.
You got it.
I got my banger for tomorrow. Hope you're ready. It's gonna be. Whew. Yeah, I got my banger. I rented gold. I rented pista. Gold is too easy to read, lol. How was the chat with Rattle? Bro, it was insane. You told us you next on his hit list, eh, bro? So.
Oh, me?
No, Carl.
Oh.
So just make sure ahead of the time, Carl, you go rent a nice house. I'm just gonna rent a Pista or a McLaren, and then just make sure you've got a lot of Monopoly cash just laying around in the house, so you can just throw on the tables and stuff.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna say something now. Have you guys ever heard of Trading Junkies?
Trading Junkies.
Yeah, they have like a Converse All-Star with candlesticks.
Hold on. Right, guys. 15-minute shuffle has come and gone. But again, I'm not gonna take something now. 15 minutes before PMI is coming out. Yeah.
Alright, yeah. So they basically have like Converse All-Star. Yeah, but with candlesticks on it. They sell like prop money, and it makes me think all these influencers, these stacks of cash they have.
Yeah.
Always looks so clean. Like a new batch of paper that was opened. If you have money, that money's traveled, smells like money. It looks like a tree.
But you know, hey, my thing is always, I said like, who are we talking to? One of our guests we had on, like in the OG days when we started the stream.
What was it?
We had a guest on. I have a funny feeling I think it was Garen.
Yeah, what was
Where he said like when he got into trading, like he made like his first like big amount of money.
And he put the stack.
He went and it was like 100k, and he went to the bank and like he asked him for 100k in cash. And then he went and he laid it out all over his bed, and he took a photo of it. And then it was cool and all. Then afterwards, he was like, what the fuck do I do with this now? I've got 100k in cash. Like, what the hell do I do with this now? You're not going to go to the shops like with cash and be like, I want this. People are probably going to call the police and lock you up because they're going to think you just freaking robbed the bank or something.
Yep. Where was it also so in America? There's a law. If they catch you with too much cash and you can't explain it, they have the right to confiscate it.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. Fuck, my bot has blown all the accounts. Damn. Just hit up Trinique to sort out for me. But yeah, it's always been a weird thing for me. I don't get guys that do that. Like, the guys, like the big boy influencers they're doing it for like, I don't want to say the clout, but the thing of giving back, where they drive around with those $10,000 wads of cash and they always just give them out, or $5,000. I understand that because that's the purpose. They're doing this give back and just giving it away the whole time.
Yeah.
So you're obviously not giving it to one person, you're giving a wad to like different people. But even then, like, I'm not gonna be, for example, just always having cash on me. I've always said to people, like, when people come to me and they ask me for change, and I'm like, bro, I'm a trader. When the hell do I ever have cash on
Do
me?
you guys know in the office? Yesterday I asked the guys for $5.
I was like,
No
bro,
one-
I don't even have notes. Where in
no
the
one
wood am I
has-
gonna have a flipping?
No one carries cash in the office.
No one, guys. Like, we might as well, like, you can just have, and it's always, if you look at traders, 100% of the time, like, Kyle, hold on. Answer this question honestly, my brother. And guys, I promise you, I really don't know the answer for this, so it's not like I'm asking him purposefully. Do you have a wallet, like a wallet, or do you have a card holder? That is, I always say, that's what you know it's a trader, bro, when you got a card holder. Because there's literally not even an option to have cash or coins in there.
Shit.
As a trader, do you feel comfortable when someone asks you for money? I wouldn't say it makes me uncomfortable, but I'm like, for sec.
It makes me very uncomfortable.
Like, I don't have to give you money.
Yeah, because it's like, where were you when I was broke? Did you like Pharaoh Mark's last post? If you didn't, then ask me for shit.
The only people I like will always say I'll help out when it comes to money is family.
Yeah.
If you rando stuff like that, I'm gonna tell you to go fly a kite. Wallet for me. 100% card holder since 2012. Yeah. Whatever happened with Joe Ash and Darren? What about them, brother? They are still doing their thing. Taking over Durban, one scam at a time. But yeah, what about them? Card holder on the back of my phone. If the car cards in Cape Town have Yokos now, bro. Now hold on. We actually spoke to, who was I talking to? I actually think it was Han the one day outside the gym, and I said to them like, car guards must just get bloody like Yokos.
They must get what?
Yokos.
What's Yoko's?
The little card machines.
Oh yes, yes,
Bro,
yes,
I
yes, yes.
always said, like, you know how easy it would be, like, if you came to me and, like, I know you genuinely looked after my car. I always say to people, my thing is, I always say to guys, if I climb out the car, were you there? Did you greet me? Secondly, when I came outside, were you firstly even anywhere near my car? And thirdly, if you weren't, if I have to ask you which car is mine, can you tell me? Then I know you actually looked after my car, and I'll give you some money. But my thing is, I never have cash. So if you had a Yoko, I'll 100% of it, I'll tap for $10 for you. I'll probably even tap for $20 because it's worth the tap then. But like, car guards would actually just make a lot more money if they got a Yoko. Me, it's only my mother and father. Did they refuse that challenge you and Chris? Bro, of course they did. They're not stupid enough to take that challenge. That is the biggest thing that would have made. They would have doubled their name and reputation in the industry if they took that challenge. But they can't take the challenge because there was nothing that they would have been in control of. They're not in control of their accounts. They're not in control of where it's going. They're not in control of how to access anything, and they're not in control of it. And everything else is going to be copy trades aside for us that we were going to put out to the public. So if you can trade, that would have been the best move of your career because you're going to put it out there to everyone. But if you can't,
You know, I've had
just go watch the stream with Rydell. Rydell answered that question perfectly for you.
You know, even these guys like who post like account flips on Instagram, like people like flipping accounts, I've called out many of them, and the reason why I've done it, like, yeah, I don't make thousands, but like, if you guys are gonna give out this perception, I mean, I flip accounts, yes, but I don't flip an account every single day. That's impossible to do it every single. It's possible, yes, but for you to be so accurate that you quadruple an account every single day, you should be much further in life then. I've had many people I've called out like that. I told them, look here, let's tell my followers, your followers, let's challenge. Like, let's start with a $10 account. If you're such a good trader, let's see who gets to $100 first. Jason, these people who trade like NASDAQ, things like that. I've called up many people, and none of them would accept that challenge because they know. Some brokers give them test accounts. So that means that you can enter a market when the moves already happen, so it looks like you're in profit. This is why Noodles, 2-minute Noodles, that's why he's always in profit, but his signals are shit because he has a test account. So he just puts himself into a move that already happened, so it looks like he's in profit.
Yeah, but not only that, you could just using demo accounts. He's never ever showed. That's one thing. He'll never ever show you it's a real account.
Yeah.
And also, he'll never show you the balance. He enters and then he keeps on there the whole time.
I always say that, like, if you're gonna be flipping, yes, if you're gonna be flipping $1,000 account to $4,000 every day, like, nah, you must be further than that. It's like that. It's like this guy in PE calls himself a billionaire, but he drives such an old car. If I was a billionaire,
Bro, I'm not even worried about that. If you are making $10 million plus a day, $10 million a day, bro, that's like,
sure.
you
Yeah, look, yeah.
when you just go do the conversion, guys, and just think about that, the money you are making a day, and then look at the person and tell me if that's right. Like, just use some brain cells. But we're not going down that route now, guys. We're not going down there. Good afternoon, James. What lot size do you enter on your 1 million account to risk 1% per trade? Get FX calculator, enter your stop loss, how many pips you use, and it will give you how much you want to risk per 1%. I don't use set amounts. It varies on the trade criteria, entry criteria. Lol, my wallet and cards are in my car or in my bag. That's simple math. I'm still a trade from 2034. I hope the red folder can give me just a little more. Tien, don't be too greedy, brother. So guys, I'm planning on starting a portfolio management company. Would passing a funded account be a good service? It could be, brother. Just make sure you're gonna need a lot of backing up data to do something like that. It's called a I see you had a similar idea. Yeah, okay. That's why passing these ranges never show us the balance in the account, 100%.
I always say be careful of pastors, who are very materialistic.
I also thought about it. My problem with it is that you actually end up losing the freedom trading gives you. the responsibility and actually the industry keeps me away. I closed 9%, by the way. It's okay. All right, brother. That's chill then. King Shah, I would only be interested if you covered the cost of the funded account if you blew it. That would be, if you did that, I'll take the curse to you. If you did that, I would take my head off to you.
I wanted to say that, but I didn't want to seem like that guy. I can't remember his name.
Because that's very easy, guys. I know people that have done that, and they're like, "Oh, we pass funded accounts for you," and they'll be like, "This," and when the account blows, it's very easy to say, "Well, shit, sorry, like it's trading, it's part of it."
Yeah.
It's very easy to say that.
But if you're very good at it and you can get that guarantee that whatever the challenge cost them, to refund them if you blow it, that is, I feel, you would really make. Then you would get a lot of clients.
Yeah, but you know the one thing I always say to people when it comes to trading, if you trade in and genuinely trading, you should be in control of your stuff the whole time, not someone else. Now, I also say with scammers, for example, those guys where they were always, "Oh, give me 3,000, I'll give you 40,000 back." No. You
Also,
should
guys,
always be in control of your
let me
money.
quickly touch on this. It's like, I think who said it? About thinking for yourself? Future said it. Can't think for yourself, I gotta think for the team. Like, there was this girl from Elwell North, ne? So this scammer guy, this goes back to being desperate and not paying attention. So this guy messages her, promises her a return, give me 3K, I'll give you whatever amount. She says, I don't have the money. He's like, okay, not a problem, let's do this, ne? He's like, record a video of yourself saying that you've invested into myself and I've given you this return. So she records the video and now he's like, okay, post it. Okay, she posted, and whatever the case, then he's like, okay, I'm gonna send you your money. You're gonna receive a code to go fetch your money. But he doesn't explain how you must get the money. Whatever the case, he just says you'll receive a code. She receives a code from Facebook. The SMS says,
Alright, just while you talking there quickly, I just want to go pee before the news.
all good. So then the SMS says, this is your Facebook code to change your password. She gives her this code to this person. Guess what happened to her account? The guy changed her password, she lost her account. Now that guy has control of a real person's account. So if he now posts that video of her, it seems like, oh, this is her, she's made this return, oh, we know her, let's invest into her. But little, there's a scammer now control that account, and that's how she lost her account. A lot of people in Elwell North lost money in that way just because none of them paid attention. This is why I always say, ne? Consciousness. Think. Your most powerful gift is your mind. So literally, like I always say, like everything that's been created, there's Coke, there's phone, there's PC, there's lights, everything took place in someone else's mind first. So whatever reality you want to manifest, you must see it clearly in here. And if something doesn't make sense, obviously put it together, and then from there on. But yeah, anyway, guys, going down the rabbit hole there. Any advice on flipping a $10 account? Okay, so here's what I do. Say for instance, now I have a $10 account. That's just like 200 rand, right? Trading it. Now let's say $1. If I take a trade on that account, my maximum risk should be $1.50, and then I must make $3 to $5. You're not planning to flip the account in one trade. You're planning on flipping the account on multiple trades. But the thing is, you take your profit. I always talk about this as well. There's two ways. People always talk about greed, ne? Which means holding onto your profit, not closing it. But you can also be a sloth and hold onto losses. So like you must learn to close your trades. That's the most important thing when trying to flip an account. Closing trades, or then put it this way, taking partials and moving stops to break even as soon as possible. Because I know, for instance, let's say I trade a $10 account, I make $3. Now I have $13. What I do now, I keep my risk the same until I've doubled the account. Once I've doubled the account, so obviously now let's say I make $3, that's 3 to 4 trades I must take basically, right? And I mean you're catching like $3 per trader, that's like 30 pips. Double the account, you withdraw your initial investment. Now you have nothing to lose. So that initial investment sets something in your subconscious mind that, oh, I've gotten a return for this. So there's no need to rush it. I've already been paid for this basically. And that's the entire like process basically. Like now they say now you're on $10 again, you double the account, you withdraw it again, or maybe half of it, until you get to that point where you start growing your wallet. Like, you know, with a broker, you have your trading account, you have your wallet. You focus on growing your wallet and not your account. That is the advice I would say.
All right, Chad. Sorry, man, interrupting there. News coming out. Looks like from what I said to you guys, it was going to be dollar strength. But what happened? Yeah, there we go. 49. Nice big jump to the top side. There we go. Literally gapping up. So yeah, literally that played out as we said. Nice numbers coming out there. So yeah, dollar strength. Literally, this is now countering those unemployment claims.
And unfortunately, we missed our entry on GU.
I think blowing in the funded stage is possible, but the challenge phase, there is no need. So, King Shaq, have you never ever blown a funded account, bro? Like, never. I think everyone just rushes the entire phase chasing that payout. This 100k I just passed, risk 1,500 to make 3,000. Very simple. Okay, maybe for me, I'm not chasing the payout, but accomplishment, so it's different. Check the gap in US 30. No, sir, never. My brother, I'd hate to tell you, but that day is gonna come, my bro. It's gonna come, my brother. I'm not trying to be that guy of bad news now, but it's gonna come. If the case is that it's never gonna happen, then you should be one of the best traders in the world. And if you aren't making millions right now, then there's something wrong. And that's an honest opinion, bro. Like I'm not trying to be that doers now, but like I'm just being honest with you.
Oh, this EU is.
Do you think there is logic behind the 20 pip challenge risking 30% of a 20 USD account? Wait, what? Do you think there is logic behind the 20 pip challenge risking 30% of a $20 USD account? Yes and no. If I always say, guys, so from my side, when you're doing these little accounts, your first two trades are kind of go big or go home. So, because that's what's going to get you off the ground. But other people, like if you're okay with, again, not having to rush anything, chip it away. Literally, if you make like $2 a day, so after 1 week, it's already at 30. Until it's at 50. Then 50, you can be risking $5, $10, and then obviously keep it growing. So that's just how I would look at it. But yeah, that's obviously up to the trader. So what MS is there an issue? Alright guys, what is going on here now in the chat? Only 5. I've been trading live accounts and never aimed for scaling. But this year I want to scale in, so I'm going to be committed to prop trading. Alright bro, so you've traded 5. You've never, so all 5 accounts are live. Let's just hear you. If all 5 are live then. Ooh, testing that pivot and holding there.
Anthony, I don't know if your question is for myself or Keegan. The thing of do you think there's a logic behind the 20
Yeah,
pip
I
challenge?
answered already, so you can answer it if your opinion.
You know, I don't like the word you use, the challenge, because it shouldn't be a challenge per se. Like it should be your own personal journey. So you shouldn't per se like purely, like I'm just saying this from my personal perspective. Like 20 pips, like I can't remember when's the last time I used 20 pip stop loss. And you risk like 10, like I said, like 10% in a small account, and like it's less than that. So there's multiple ways you can kill this cat. It's multiple ways.
But let's see, Chad. Let's see. Yeah. The thing is, well, guys, I'm actually not even going to talk about it anymore. King, I'm happy for you, brother. I'm not going to be that guy now, just sounding like I'm a doers or jealous. So I'm just going to leave it. I honestly wish you the best. Three, I just got to funding and took payout. Two of which were MFF. One is live with SJY. FDM one passed. Wait, what? Three, I just got to funding. So three, I got to funding and took payout. So three were with payout. Two which were with my Forex fund. So obviously two were down the drain. Okay. So one account is live. The other one is with FTMO. And then one.
Could you put on my screen quickly?
Okay, isn't that 6? Am I counting wrong here? Hey? Am I counting wrong?
Sorry,
If you
wait.
have 3 accounts, which you took to payouts. 2 were my Forex fund. So 2 is my Forex fund. And that's down. So there was still one other live account. Then you have another live with FTMO. And the one you just bought. Oh, no, it's 5. Okay, no, I'm sorry. But it is on your screen, Jeff.
Okay, so Euro USD. I want to see price come into this fair value gap here at 1.08241, and I'm going to short it from there up until this demand zone. So entry there, stop will be in the measure 5, 6 for slippage, spread. So I would say 7 point, maybe yes. Let's say 8 pips, 8 pip stop. TP right over there, so still a nice 1, 2, 3.
So you're just waiting for entry on that, eh?
Yeah, we're just waiting. In fact, I'm gonna place a nice little sell limit there.
Alright, well, Jeff, you can just let us know when you are in on that trade, brother. Jeff likes his 3-minute time frame. Yeah, he loves it. What? I think I asked you this before, but specifically, why the 3 minutes?
So there's multiple reasons. If I can't see my supply, or the if price action is not clean on the 4 hour, then I would look for my supply demand on the 2 hour. If my 3 minute isn't clean, that's the only time I go to my 1 minute. And if 3 minute and 1 minute is choppy, then no entry.
So you don't use the 5
No.
or the 15?
15 only used for refinement and
What do you mean refinement, bro?
refinement
You're
of my
refining down to 3 and 1. So what the hell is the 15 doing?
No, I refined back to my 15 minute. Guys, prices at your zone. I'm going short there.
Alright, so that's Jeff's trade there, Chad.
Just got in there at 1.08250. But yeah, sorry, Geeks. So I refine. I draw my supply and demand, my 4 hour. But
Yeah.
then you have like a, let's say like a 50 70 pip zone. And then once I refine that, then that 50 70 pip zone becomes like 20 pips, 10 pips more or less. So yeah, that's the only place I refine, and then look for my 3 minute fair value gap, 1 minute fair value gap in internal structure from there.
How big is the stop loss on that, bro?
8 pips. TP 26.
Yo, 8 pips on a major.
Yep.
Man's making some big moves there.
Let's hope it plays out, Chad. Let's hope it plays out.
Jeff will keep us updated on that trade. Good news, but going bearish. The unemployment claims were more the big one. It was more a surprise today than the other one, guys. I don't go below 5 minutes for my setups, so I personally as well. I don't. I actually only used to trade on the 15. That was my lowest. And only when I started coming here, like when I met Chris and that, I actually started using the 5. But until then, like I used to only trade on the 15. Check out my trade idea on your guys' Discord. I'm good, brother. I wish you all the best for it.
What's his name?
Al Nino.
Oh, Nino. Okay, I see.
Real ones use the 15 minutes. I'm guessing you're also only on the 15 minute,
Sorry?
No, King Shaq.
Oh.
'Cause remember I said I only use really 15, and then King Shaq was also like, yeah, the real ones use the 15 minutes. Nino in the Discord.
Nino. It looks good. It looks good. But not my cup of tea though.
Patiently waiting here, guys. Nothing honestly for me to take a trade off yet. So I'm literally just chilling out right now. USD Swiss, what about it? Sell, I don't know. I don't trade it. Sure. US 30 taking some shots there. Oh, Pamperino there on US 30. Do you think I am missing out if I trade only one pair? No, not at all. But you should be making progress on that pair.
Remember,
So
quality over quantity.
Yeah, so if you are trading that one pair, my only thing is you should be getting better with it because you, in a way, specialize in that pair. So I just say if you're not seeing results out of it, and you haven't done a lot of back testing, journaling, and nothing's actually improving on the pair, then yes, you're missing out. Maybe try a different pair. But if you are good, you make money on that pair, then I'd say always stick it out and specialize in it. If you only need one pair to make money, it just makes your life easier. But if you want obviously multiples, you can have multiples. Like I have my six straight ones, but that's purely for London session. And then when it comes to New York, then I only trade gold, NAS, and US 30. That is why my brother Hood guy, if you've been around here, you would know. You can ask me about USD Swiss, and I'm not going to look at it. It's not what I trade, so I couldn't care less about it.
Edgar, are you still in the chat? Just give me raise your hand there quickly, Ed, if you're still in the chat.
Edgar's probably there. Yep.
Is Ed still here? Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
I use the same to reset and backtest
So-
one pair at a time. I only confirm that pair for 24 after 3 months of data on the pair, even wrote notes for it. And that exactly, bro. That's what you have to do, and that's what makes the difference in the long run.
So Ed, did you look at our favorite pair? USD Turkish Lira.
Oh, yeah. Though.
Did you see? New higher highs has been formed. We're in blue right now.
You did trade that, though.
Yeah, bro, the swap on that thing is hectic. My swap on there was like, the swap for the night was like a quarter of my target. So if I yell to my TP and it reached my TP, I would pay more in fees than my actual profit.
But I've always said that. Like, that is one thing that confused me about you, Jeff.
Yeah.
You are the only day trader I know who wants to hold trades for like weeks. Then you're not a day trader.
No, like I said, I take my partials. I leave the rest to run as far as it can.
That doesn't matter. You're not a day trader then.
This is why I don't identify as anything.
Oh, yes. Here we go. He's going to come out as a them now.
I am just a market maker, providing liquidity for everyone,
Oh.
taking opposite directions, and
Keys, I'm thinking of Sunday NAS from Asia Highs. What do you think? NAS. Yeah, so basically, bro, what I'd love to see is basically my thing is you got kind of equal highs here at the EQ. So honestly, I'm actually going a bit more bullish. But if you do start rejecting and you get back Asia highs, yeah, you could sell. But I am more bullish on as you got these obviously equal highs over here. So definitely, when you get a break above that, could be a solid buy. I'm long on entity JPY, aiming for daily highs. Best of luck, brother. Bro, how long does it take for your vault markers to verify your account? Bro, I can't remember when last time my account verified by them. It's normally like a day, 2 days. Hey, Jeff?
Yeah, it's usually like not more than 24 hours. I would
Yeah.
say just message support, tell them that you really want to get your documents verified, or contact them on WhatsApp.
I cannot for the life of me figure out how to enter USD to the moves are huge, but how the hell you catch that thing? I don't want to deposit till I'm sure it's verified. The thing is, bro, you can deposit if it's not verified, you just won't be able to withdraw.
Yeah. Oh.
How's that trade going, Jeff?
EU, where you going? Here, DXY is below the open,
That's what I'm
man.
saying. How's your trade looking?
Nah, we have faith.
Yeah,
We have
Jeff,
faith.
that thing is. Oof.
We have faith.
DXY's taking shots, my brother.
DXY is gonna go up now.
If you take the Asia lows, that's the low of the day. And you trade in towards the daily pivot, the weekly pivot, and the EQ that are untested.
Yeah, my thing is just I would like it to go up and then only sell, but I do expect if it drops through here, I wouldn't be surprised. But both potentials are still highly likely. You have to see what they do at this low.
Yeah, bro, those NAS bonds are just looking better on now, Jeff. Jeff, I think GU might have been the better pair. I'm looking at catching the sell from Asia highs.
Nah. Nah, not for me. I know one of my clients took the buy on GU. He entered at the bottom of that wick. He entered literally, he's up like literally at 1.26400. He got in right there. Oh, Lukey, proud of you, my man.
What if it happened? Wait, hold on. One of your clients were one of the Vault Funder live accounts, eh?
Yeah,
Isn't he going to be getting payouts soon?
I don't know what the guys are doing. I know Justin got funded twice, but hasn't gotten the payout.
I was gonna say I don't mean to be that person.
Yeah,
but I love how these guys are posting everywhere when they pass an account, and then they go dead quiet.
Yeah, that's my only thing.
Then you know
I
that
feel
live
like-
account's not in profit.
So wait, at Vault Fund, no one's gotten a payout yet. No,
Uh,
one guy got a payout. He's actually in the chat as well. He said
Who?
one day he hasn't revealed his name in the chat yet, but I know who he is.
Hold on.
It's a guy with a red profile picture. He was on here this morning. Okay, I see. Okay, Ed. Yeah, my only thing on GU, the Asia highs, I mean, it's so far away, 30 pips. And, oh yeah, Ed, my other thing on GU is, if you look at the daily or the 4 hour, from the start of this year, we've basically been consolidating. So for me, we're very close to that demand zone at the bottom, far from that supply zone on top. So, it just scares me to sell it.
Yeah, sorry guys. No one's got to pay out yet.
So what happened to his? But because you sent me a picture of it, available withdrawal amount.
Yeah, that's available. That just means when he's going to withdraw.
Oh,
He
so
hasn't
he-
got the payout yet.
So he must still.
Payouts are coming next week.
Okay, so next week we'll have the first.
Next week,
payout.
there's 7 guys that should get their payouts. There's a guy, the biggest one, it should be about 50, 60K.
Yeah,
that
that's the
would be
one. That's him.
payout.
That's him.
But again, guys, we had a guy in December, just to give you a story. There was a guy in December that in 2 weeks in, he just waited 2 weeks. 2 weeks in, he was like 80K up. 80K.
Sure.
What do you think he did the next 2 weeks? He blew the account.
Yo, guys, do you know how
So,
much?
so guys, please, when people ask you now, like, Nino, are you serious? No, I'm going to pay out yet. Because you oaks are fucking retards. You oaks are sitting on money, waiting for payout. Just sit on your freaking hands and leave the thing alone. But you guys are greedy, and then you blow your bloody accounts. Trust me, we are excited. We want to get the first person because we want the payout. We want to flip and make a thing of the guys that get their payouts.
Yeah, literally, I have clients who says that they've been obviously they're skeptical also, so they want to see that first payout come before they sign up.
But
so,
yeah, you oaks just
yeah.
need to learn to leave the flipping thing alone.
And
Just
think
wait.
and think
Just
about
wait.
it. Like, if you are that guy who has the money, wouldn't it be nice to be the first guy who gets a payout from Vault Funder? I mean, you're making history within this new company per se. Like, why would you mess up that opportunity?
Like, I'm just saying. So if the guy is here, like Jeff says, he knows who it is. If you are here, bro, leave the account alone. As someone that's had lots of live accounts, I've always said this to people. Get 2% up on that first payout. Then leave it alone. Delete bloody MetaTrader off your phone. Leave it alone. Get your money. Get your deposit back. Then the account is literally risk-free. Then have whatever fun you want. But just get your payout. Not hard, guys. Not hard. The sound went very soft again. What do you mean when it's very soft, bro? There's not a chance this thing could be soft again. Just let us know the chat. Is it soft again? We didn't change anything now, so how the hell is it soft now?
Yeah, I can't hear because it's the same on my side, and I'm with you in the studio.
I know a guy who blew an account with 98K waited for withdrawals.
Sure.
Yeah, so I know a mate of mine. And guys, I just want to say personally, like, I know friends who, like, I personally know them are still in those jobs that they hate their job. They wanted to get out, start doing this full time. He finally got a live account. He was sitting like 120K payout. 3 days before payout, what do you think he does? 3 freaking days. He blows the account because of
Yo.
revenge trading. So he lost like 40K, and obviously he was like pissed off. Keep in mind, that's still 80K you up. And he kept trading and he breached his daily drawdown. Can't go on. Like, it is big. Oaks are.
That is so much money.
And now what happened? He has since it's been about 4 months after that, still no live account now. And he's actually just disappeared. Like, doesn't talk to anyone, doesn't do anything because he's obviously like still his cuck job, he's depressed. But like,
Yeah.
he had the chance to get out and he fucked it.
Sure.
That's what I said. Like, I get passionate about it because it pisses me off. Like, it's so simple, guys, and Oaks are screwed up for themselves. Giving profits back is a real thing. Euphoria is a mother. Sound is fine. Okay, awesome. Open a demo account if you want to trade. Then when you get the payout, trade again. 100%, bro. Literally, you can do that. I got a friend request from another Chris Markable on Discord. Is a general problem on all live streams with the sound goes up and down randomly. Oh damn, okay. 90k USD, my guy. That was almost, oh shit, bro. 98k USD. What account does he have?
Sure.
What account did he have if he's sitting in a 98k payout? Holy crap. To get like an asset, I know I can make profits with Drew 1.5% and lowered my risk to 0.5 per trade. I'm now on my way to my third payout. Please guys, take it easy. Danny, literally what you said there, bro. I couldn't agree more with you. That is a perfect way to treat a live account. Perfect. Jeff, you still hanging on there in your trade, brother?
Yeah, we're hovering around break even.
Okay, lekker. How do you deal with tax? Corbin, don't worry about that, brother. When you're making the big money, you can start worrying about that. I always say to guys, yeah, you honestly don't need to worry about tax if you're making the amounts majority are making. Yeah, before people get offended if I say you're not making enough.
Yeah, and also like from my perspective, when it comes to tax, the only time I realized like how big tax is was when I wanted to apply for something. I had to prove my income, and because I didn't declare my income to SARS, that's where the thing comes in. Once you must start declaring that, then you can worry about that.
Then we can have a rough estimate on the range you can vary. Anyone can have a rough estimate on the range you can vary lots when it comes to a funded challenge. He swung a massive trade for a month, made 98%. Holy what? Yo. He made 98% on a 100k account. Nah, bro, no, that I'm in shock. You say you know the guy personally. Hey Ed, okay, hold it, Ed. When I see you, bro, we need to talk about this. And he hasn't been able to do it since. Nah, we need to talk about this, Ed. When I see you either at the gym, bro, or whenever I see you around, we need to talk about that. That is insane. I need to know who that is. Hello guys, I'm in GU cells with drawdown. I wonder if I should continue to hold. Bowden, so when you entered that, explain to me what you saw that you entered a GU cell, because I don't even look at the market now, and I can already tell you and take a guess what's happening on that pair. The stream, I can be pretty alright and tell you I haven't looked at GU, and if I had to go to it now, I can pretty much give you a very good idea of what's happening there. So please just explain to me what you were doing that you took a GU sell. He wanted to make it 100% blue daily drawdown on news. That is still crazy, bro. Like, at the same time, he's a retard. But that's crazy. Like, we're gonna have a chat about that. I need to know who this is. Made a $27 account into. I made a $27 account into $71 today only. That is awesome, brother. So stoked for you, my man.
Nah. So now, if I can give you some advice, that's what I would do. I would now withdraw my initial deposit, and then you're in risk free, and then just stick to the initial. Don't go increase your lot size tomorrow.
Okay, but my thing is, how do you know? Because 27 is a bit of a random number for me. So how do you know he didn't have more and he's blown it, and now he's just taken 27 to 71?
Yeah.
Then you actually just recovering your previous loss.
Yeah, if that's the case, then don't withdraw.
Just think about that for a sec there, Jeff. It's a bit of a random number to put into an account. So my first thing is, there was more in the account to start off with. Because I mean, hold on.
Oh, guys, are we gonna get stopped here on EU?
Maybe it's his lucky number. Well, okay, hold on. It's 500 rand.
Okay.
$27 is 500 rand. So okay, maybe. Okay, I take it back. What's it? ADV. But either or, bro. It's two different approaches. Myself and Jeff do it differently. Like, I believe in growing your account, because with growth of your account, you can you start trading more, risking more, you make more, and that's how the circle of trading goes. If you keep, and again, I'm not taking an attack on Jeff now. I did the exact same thing when I started off. But yeah, 27 years is 500. Yeah, but if you start off, when I started, I used to do the same thing. I'm putting 500 rand every single day, and I'd make 1,500, 2,000 withdraw, and then just keep the 500 there. But when you want to start, the thing is, if you want to start evolving as a trader and taking it to the next level, you have to start doing more. You have to start changing things, otherwise nothing's going to change. So you have to start growing the account and leaving those withdrawals in it to make more on a trade and get bigger payouts, and so forth. So again, I'm not saying what Jeff's wrong. I did the exact same thing, but it just depends on where you are in your trading journey. If you're ready for the next step. What's happening to Nas, Keegs? What about it? I said it's going to be bullish. I said if you broke these highs, you're going to go buy now. Well done, brother. Keys, I see your bullish bias for Nas, but the daily I don't want to buy at daily highs. Why did you want to buy at daily highs? So what is your reason for a sell? Let's ask that. Just your reason, just because of the daily highs. The thing is, if you don't have that money in the bank account, why hold the trade and don't take anything off it? Anyone have a rough estimate on the range you can vary lot size when it comes to the funder challenge? So involved funder clause is 5.4.3 that opening sustainably larger positions is a breach. I'm pretty sure that's not true. Alright, I had to get an answer for that quickly for Boss Bobby. Firstly, bro, so there shouldn't be a breach. If there is a problem, just email the support at Vault Funder. They will assist you and fix that for you if there was actually a problem. But the whole thing is, for example, if you have a $10,000 account, you cannot be placing 20 lots. The account can't handle that, and that's just gambling. So it's arbitrage, there's gambling, it's just poor risk management. That's what they're going to be looking into if you place trades that size. So that's what it means by it. But if it's a high lot that you use all the time and it's consistent and stuff like that, there shouldn't be a problem. Do you reckon it's easy to trade with 130 euros or to use it to buy a prop challenge? It depends again on your situation in life. That was GU. I'm currently on a 12 loss streak. I've been getting active with learning fundamentals, improve my psychology and strategy in the meantime. Should I take a break from trading or not? I wouldn't say you have to take a break, but my answer would be go journal. Why are you taking 12 losses in a row? Because then there's a problem. So in your strategy, your flaws, your entry criteria, there is a problem if you're taking 12 losses in a row. I wanted you to see, that's why I said it's happening. Oh, okay. EU, I would like to see a rejection, but boss down. Alright. Key reason for my sell bias was the order flow currently on the daily. Order flow on the daily. So you have just broken those lows, bro, but you are testing the EMAs now, so to hold that. And keep in mind, this is purely because of news. So the only reason I always say like I am bearish, but I am in a neutral position for the week and long term is still because this was there and we held above. This was news. That was literally news last night. So it can regain just because of news now. I could even have just a massive pullback before it sells. So just let's keep an eye out for that one. That's why we also have the zone still to watch out for there. 12 loss streak and you are still here. That's what matters, yeah, bro. That's consistency rules, but it doesn't work like that. Let's spread you open 12 trades with an average lot of 10. That's called consistency rule, but it doesn't work like that. Let's say you opened 10 trades with an average lot of 10. No, that's not what they're talking about, bro. So, for example, with arbitrage, that's where we can pick up if, let's just say, you have traded with always a 3, and all of a sudden, you go and place a 10 lot. Because it's basically a gamble. You are, for some reason, there's something going on that you are deciding, I'm going to go massive on this trade because I'm going to pass or I'm going to blow, and that's where there's problems. That's why also when you pass accounts, I always say they do reviews because I want to go look and test and see if they find anything else on your stuff before you'll get those live accounts. So I saw gold 2045. Can I hold trade or close? Tell me please. Please tell me request. Here you guys. So you sold gold at 2045. It's now 2048. So when you sold at 2045, what was your reason for selling? The market's not bearish, so why did you sell? My friend is a 15k USD account and trades 18 not scalping and just waits to get in profit and gets out. He made 2k today. How quickly will he lose his account? Very, very fast. The one day he gets caught on something that's unexpected on the markets. Yeah, exactly. I was typing and ran out of characters. Just looking at this though. Jeff, are you still in that trade, bro?
Yeah.
You're still in? Bro. Wait. Go onto that. How big is the stop loss?
8 pips.
Is it? Yeah.
So hopefully it doesn't close above this green line now.
You are. Yes, this man's living on the edge here with these trades. Living on the edge.
Come on, EU.
As I said, bro, I think you're in trouble.
Yeah, 6 o'clock is my cutoff. 6 o'clock, so hopefully it plays around.
Because you basically, as I said, close below Asia lows. Weekly pivot untested, daily pivot untested, EQ untested, that's all still below you. So
Ons is dalk in die kak en-
DXY can be going down still.
Ons is dalk diep in die kak. The only thing about the DXY is like it's breaking above the open and below the open and above the open. It's like, where do you want to go?
So now my close trade or wait to pull back. Bro, I never once said there was a pullback coming. I never once said that. Chad, let's please just pray for Dr. Adil Hanif. I am a bit worried if you are a doctor, but let's put some prayers there for our brother in Christ. Let's see if he can make a return. If he can see the blue lights. Can I steal your idea? Because I have been trying to do the same thing. Bro, I don't regret it. How do you guys journal? Is it the one thing I'm struggling with? Bro, just go to our Discord. You can see a lot there in our journaling, how we journal. Literally just go to the Discord journal section. You'll see how we journal our trades. Peaches for a deal. Just caught a beautiful long in Naz. Oh, my brother King Shaq taking the longs. So now, you know, okay, I'm not answering this man anymore. Can someone also just copy and paste what I said like 2 minutes ago and just send that to him as well? Bro, I must say, hey, like, this week has been so shit. The last week of Jan, then FOMC, now today, pricing stuff in, then tomorrow, NFP. NFP is probably going to be the only good thing, but then it's a Friday. Like you literally might have to catch it on NFP, and then after that, like call it.
Yeah, remember that call you did last year on NFP? You on gold ran. Just see, over 1,000 pips.
That was the one we traded live with everyone.
Actually, to be more accurate, over 1,500 pips.
No, and Chad, just for my
Sure.
my rocket brothers. But that was just to show people how you actually trade NFP live and walk away with money.
I always laugh when Chris says they nuke the accounts. Just it sounds so hectic.
Yes, bro. They came for you. Yeah. Did you ever watch actually the full video? I only did the other night. I was watching Rydell's video on it,
I saw snippets of it.
and I don't know how he got it, because it's literally the cam that was on Joash.
Yeah, where he's walking around.
Yeah,
man.
so I don't know how he got that flipping footage.
I
but-
must say that guy who sat in front there, yo, that bro looked pissed.
Bro, the way that man came on and the way they actually did it, like a lot that they didn't show to like the public, and then that happens. Like my biggest thing is like I don't know how you can walk around so confident and stuff like that when over and over and over again you just make your name gat.
Nee, as Mosela, he's protected by the blood.
Hey guys, how much do I need to fund to trade NAS on Vault Markets? Whatever you want, brother. If you're using a very little amount, then just use a micro account. I'm tempted to not even look at tomorrow and just start fresh Monday, bro. I literally might do the same as you. Will you be trading NP live tomorrow? No, I'm not, brother. I don't trade those news events live for the guys anymore. I did it just to prove the haters that first time it wasn't luck, so I had to do it twice and then a thrice.
How many coincidences until mathematically impossible?
So after that, I stopped doing it. I proved my point, and that's it. People can say what they want to say now. I've done my stuff. I can make my money by myself. Trading live and walking out with money is a complete different business. A bang bang, a lol, me too. Your gold going. you hanging on there, brother.
Nah, I'm still holding it.
You still holding.
Yeah, my stops are calculated. I'm happy losing, if that is the case.
No, the thing is, it's, for you, I know your criteria. That's the thing. Like we have different obviously criteria, but yeah, if it was still your plan, everything went to plan, then it's a loss you take on the chin.
Yeah.
People have been telling me that I should stop now, that I've been losing 12 trades, but I refuse and I still want to trade. I'm going to work hard to improve my entry criteria curves. So mindset mental, I always tell people this. If you want to be truly a good, successful trader, there's a little bit of you that actually has to be insane, that has to be crazy. Because there's not a lot of people, if you start a business, you fail once, you're done. You maybe go relook at something, start it up a second time, and fail again, and you call it a day. If people go try sports, they suck at it, they give up. Where trading, you are probably going to be kicked in the face. You're going to eat shit about 100 times over, and you're still going to carry on doing it. So there must be a little bit of insanity to it until you have that breakthrough.
I actually interesting you mentioned that. Me and Ed had a conversation about that the other day. Shit, I don't have space on my phone. I can't open my WhatsApp.
You need to refresh the cloud for 2024 keys. Maybe I will, Chad. Maybe I will. I said when we get the numbers up and there's a lot of guys in the chat and stuff like that, I said maybe we'll start trading some NFP and CPI live together. You will trade live NFP tomorrow. Percy, you don't tell me what I have to do, my brother.
Yo.
Jeff,
He's coming with yo.
Pastor Rocket is paid big. The church and the overseeing pastor gives a kickback from him, so they don't call it out for being a con. How big is your stop loss? That's for them. 8 losing streak. It happens. Use this as an opportunity to level up, learn, and get better. Also, guys, trade management. I always say to guys. So, for example, if you're on a 5 streak, let's put it this way: if you're on a 5 losing streak, okay, you obviously probability is not on your side. So what do? The next, let's say I'm risking 1% per trade. Alright, so now I'm down 5%. What do? The next 5 trades, I only risk 0.5%. Because if I lose the next 5, I'm actually only now down 2.5%. And you keep scaling it down. Same way if you're winning. If you're on a win streak, if I'm on a 2 win streak, I can start risking 1.5%. If I'm a 3 win streak, I can risk 2% because the odds are in your favor. You clearly you're locked in. So definitely start looking at it that way. Scaling in with your trades. Or scaling with management. Let's say that 10k account with trades 0.9 lot size. What do you think of that? Again, bro, depends on the entry criteria and your setup. Exactly. Thank you, Keeks. I'm gonna call it a day. Cheers, guys. See you tomorrow, brother. It's okay here. We don't only reply. It's okay here. We don't only reply on NFP, and we here every other day. That's it, Chad. I always say, you guys, also don't stop worrying about that 1 minute of glory trying to catch an NFP CPI event. Don't worry about that. You guys catch other trades that make the difference.
Can I tell you guys something also? So before I became profitable trading technical analysis, I struggled with it. So fundamentals was my thing. 1 minute strategy modifications, that was my thing. But then it got boring. So Keegan says now, like, don't just think this one news event will be the end all be all, because trading should be fun. Trading should be, it mustn't just be about the money when you come to your charts. It must be like you have this skill, you've empowered yourself with this skill, you're taking care of the money is just a byproduct of your skill, basically.
Alright, guys, but it is getting a bit late now. I'm not going to be trading anything, so for myself, I'm happy to call it a day. Jeff, what you doing with your trade there, my brother?
So 6 o'clock, I'll scratch it if I'm not in profit. So if we're not, okay, let me put it this way, there is 13 minutes left. If we are not trading at least at the weekly open, I'm gonna scratch it. 6 o'clock, guys. There it is. So in regards to that, it said to me the other day, trading can be heartbreaking, but like, why do we like this so much? So I said, interesting question. Don't you think in life we've been hurt so much, we'd rather hurt ourselves on the market, trying to prove everyone right or everyone wrong?
Amiris. Jeff's actually the opposite. Jeff doesn't even look at the 15 minutes. Really, he looks at 3 minutes and 1 minute. Don't treat it that way. Risk a percentage of the account isn't the same as a 20 pip stop loss, then a 10 pip or 100 pip. Calculate your risk first, then accommodate the lot size. Yeah, 100%. Deep. Yeah. But yeah. So Jeff, you wanted to hang on a little bit longer for it?
I kinda have a commitment, but yeah, we can wait. If you want to.
I'm sure. That's just it for me. Like I said, guys, I've got my stuff to do, and that's the thing, I'm not taking a trade. You guys know I literally put videos out for you guys about these things. So if I'm not in a trade now, walk away. If I haven't got my window of execution, call it. So for me, like I'm not gonna do anything now. I said today's gonna be an inside day, preparing for NFP tomorrow.
Yeah, we think we can call it. So guys, if you're in EU, 6 o'clock. If we are not trading below 1.08220, scratch it.
Alright, but otherwise you guys have it there. You guys are set up for the rest of it. Okay, I'm not even answering questions anymore when you guys are going to ask me the same question 4 or 5 times and I've answered it. Because then you're just wasting my time. But other than that, Chad, it has been a lacquer one. Unfortunately, market's just been a bit of a screw up that end of Jan and the first week of Feb now. But at least we're into Feb, guys. So markets should be getting better. See you tomorrow, gents. Take care and have a great afternoon. Yo, guys, trade safe. Don't be stupid. Don't do anything unnecessary. I promise you the markets are not going to go anywhere. But as always, guys, truly appreciate every single one of you. And you guys always being here. Truly means the world. We absolutely love you guys. Check us tomorrow morning, the opening bell with myself and Chris, and then the New York session with myself and Jeff. But other than that, it's been us, and we'll see you tomorrow, guys. So
check it tomorrow, Chad.
It will be a good one. So we'll see you then, guys. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when it comes to the show. What's up? Alright, already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long.
don't that shit that make you mad. They treat you like a slave, put chains all on your soul and put whips up on your back. They be lying through they teeth, hope you slip up off your path. I don't switch up, I just laugh, put my kicks up on they desk, unaffected by they threats, then get busy on they ass. See, that's how that Chi-Town made me, that's how my daddy raised me. That glittering may not be gold, don't let nobody play me. If you are my homeboy, you never have to pay me. Go and put your hands up, when times is hard you stand up. LUP the man, cause a brand that the fans trust. So even if they ban us, they'll never slow my plans up.
Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. The show goes on. Alright, already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. The show goes on.
One in the air for the people ain't here. Two in the air for the father that's there. Three in the air for the kids in the ghetto. Four for the kids that don't wanna be there. None for the niggas trying to hold them back. Five in the air for the teachers not scared to tell those kids that's living in the ghetto that the niggas holding back, that the world is theirs. Yeah, yeah, the world is yours. I was once that little boy, terrified of the world. Now I'm on a world tour. I will give up everything, even start a world war. For these ghetto girls and boys I'm rapping around the world for. Africa to New York, Haiti then I detour. Oakland out to Oakland, Gaza Strip to Detroit. Say hip-hop only destroy. Tell them look at me, boy. I hope your son don't have a gun and never be a D-boy.
Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. The show goes on. Alright, already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. The show
So no matter what you've been through, no matter what you into, no matter what you see, when you look outside your window, brown grass or green grass, picket fence or barbed wire, never ever put them down. You just lift your arms higher, raise them till your arms tired. Let them know you there, that you struggling, surviving.